had a good day. And now today is going to be another book review on the book Ascent by Amanda Hawke. And as you know, I have been reading the trial reading since last 2 months, and I'm in love with this series. This series is so good. The story is so beautiful, and it's very simple to read, and I really love this book. Now, in this book is going to be a last book, and this has going to be have so many climax scenes, so many plot twists, and so much more that you will really fall in this love with this book as last two books. Now, let's talk about the book of the story of the book. Now, Wendy is, of course, she has been coming to the trial community. So, of course, she was knowing that her life is not going to be as same of the every normal girl. Her life is going to be totally changed. Now, not just only changed, she have to make so many sacrifices, sacrifice love, sacrifice friends, sacrifice normal life, sacrificing rest as well. Now, at the age of 18, where so many students want to go for their applying for the universities and colleges, she was about to get married to a person she didn't love, only it was a friend to her. But still, she had done this for the good sake for the kingdom. At the age of 18, she was so strong and brave that really made me to admire her. She was stupid sometimes, I think she was, but still she was a very good character in this book. I really loved her in this total book. And the story is so good because she have to give and she have to sacrifice so many things in the story. But the ending is going to be, let's, you have to, for that you have to read the book. Now let's talk about the characters which I love. There are the three characters which I really love. Not three but four characters. Actually there are so many characters which I liked in this book, and there are only less which I hated in this book. Now the character which I liked, of course the main lead, Wendy. Wendy was so good, I really liked her. And let's talk about the second, Loki. Loki was also very supportive to her. He always helped her. He always take care of her. He sacrificed so many things for her, which was a very, very beautiful thing for me. And the third character, three and four both are same. Like Tove and Villa, who are the best friends of Wendy, were very good. Let's talk about Matt. Matt was a human being. Still, he always supported Wendy in her every decision. Always agreed with her. Now let's talk about the characters which I really hated, and I think you can also be not hated, but you can not like that. Finn. Finn, I really didn't like him because he was like he never did anything that he sacrificed for Wendy, but what he can do that he will not sacrifice. If we talk about Loki and Finn, if we compare them both, I think Loki was more brave than Finn. Finn was not brave. Now let's talk about the character named Alora's husband, or Wendy's father, Oren. He is the most stupid and the foolish person I've ever seen in my life. I really didn't like him at all. Then there's other characters, you can say Laris Markins. I really hate her because she was like, she always supposed Wendy. Now then we have so many twists in this book as well. These are all the things which I like and hated in the book. Let's talk about the moral. The moral of this book is like you have to sacrifice so many things for the sake of something in your life. If you have to have success, you have to sacrifice every time. Because as I can see, Wendy got everything, but still she have sacrificed so many things. Second, Wendy adjusted everything very easily. Like I can see in the past, she was having her mother who didn't like her, or she was always saying that you are not my child, you're a monster, and was still living in that type of childhood atmosphere, and then coming in into your real mother, everything was so bad. And there is something which I really want to give you as a spoiler, a little bit small spoiler, that after Wendy became the queen, the chancellings were abolished. No more chancellings are going to happen in this book, which was very good thing because taking their children away from the mother was really a cruel thing for me as a book. So overall experience of this book was so good, so fantastic. One of my favorite book series is going to be the Trial series. I really enjoyed. There are many more books by this author. There's a Water Song series which I will be soon reading also. So I really like this book. So I'm going to give this book 5 out of 5 stars because I love the whole series. So I love it. My review. Make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also click the bell notifications so you will get notified anytime I post a new video on this channel. And also follow me on my social media. Links are given in the description box. If you will follow me on social media, you will get to know when I am uploading the video and when I am. So till that, bye guys. I will meet you in the next one.